This Android Studio version, Flutter and a Dart plugin we have to install. Go to that Android Studio. Here you can see configure, click plugins, configure plugins, marketplace, type Flutter. Here you can see Flutter. These are all the versions available. Flutter. So you click install. Here you can click install Flutter. Flutter plugin requires Dart plugin to be installed. Install. It will install automatically by itself. Now restart IDE. Restart. Now Flutter and Dart plugin installed. Here also you can note create a new project. This is Android Studio default. And the next line create new Flutter project. This is because of it is recognized this Flutter. That's why it is showing here create new Flutter project. So now we will run this code here. Flutter Doctor. Here still that two issues is showing, but even though we are installed this both the plugins, here you can see both the plugins we have installed. Go to the installed Flutter and Dart. So these are the two plugins required, already we are installed. It is not taking means we have to here also you can see it is enabled, but only thing to solve this issue, one is we have to neglect it, ignore it. Other in the path, that means we have already installed this location. We will go to this location, see program files, Android Studio. Copy this path. After copying this path, just come here and paste it with the Flutter configuration Android Studio directory. This is the directory where we have installed the Android Studio. Just click run it. Now here you can see you may need to restart any open editors for them to read new settings. That's all. Now our part is over. Now we will run it again, this Flutter Doctor. We have to close and rerun it. Rerun the CMD. Also we can do Flutter upgrade also first. If any upgrade is there, you will do the upgradation. It is already up to date. Okay. So next we will run this command again. Next Flutter Doctor we have to run, not this one. Flutter Doctor. So now still it is coming. Is the issue of this latest version, maybe Android Studio or this Flutter. But our part we have completed everything. We have installed this Android Studio and SDK path, even Android Studio plugins. You can see here Flutter installed and enabled, and also VS Code. That means Visual Studio Code installed, and Flutter extension also installed. That's why it's coming tick mark. So our part we have completed. The installation part of Flutter is completed. To resolve this issue, maybe it is the what you call it's the Android Studio error. because few people are reported in Stack Overflow or GitHub. It's because of Android Studio error latest version. Some persons are degraded to the Android Studio, then they got something is working. So they are telling, but some people tell you can leave this error and start working on this project. As I told here, you can see create new Flutter project. You can see here. This is create new studio. New project is for Android Studio. Create new Flutter project because it is already came here, and also you are install the required components. Also, you can check with the SDK manager. SDK tools. What are the tools required? Under SDK build tools. Under SDK command. Okay, this is required. This is a missing tool. This required because as per this, if you go through, okay, already we are started. This some tools are required for this Flutter. This one, this is mandatory under SDK command line tools. So this is required. These tools we need to install. Okay, we will install and we will recheck it. It will install within few minutes. Only 83 MB. Now it is installed. Finish it. Now it is installed. So you will just recheck whether it is any update because of that SDK tools. Nothing. There is no improvement. So our part we have completed plugins and SDK manager. So still it is showing error, means it's because of version incompatibility. We can say that some upgradation is required. Here plugins, we can say plugins and everything. So this is how we can install Flutter to in Windows 10. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.